60, still 66. I'm on the Zillow app for It's operating! It's operating!
A 20-inch drain.
57, volume 44. Oh, you got a GE. Yep. More than likely a 301. Let's see, there's a fan there. Anything? Looks to me modern. I'm not sure about that one. Hugger of some sort. Tulip bulbs. And that one, I think that, let's see, no, that's got cane blades. Kind of saggy. Oh, another 301 down here. If there's a drain, it's somewhere over there. That reminds me of the dream I had the other night, though. I mentioned this in Ben's server. So I was at a thrift store, and I saw 5 boxes for GE smoke alarms. They were the red box style, like the 301 and early 401s. But I could see the 301, design on it, on the side, because they were on a little shelf. And one of them was open, so I could see the side of the unit. So I thought they were 301s, so I thought that I'd get them all and give one to Jesse, JDL Productions, because that's kind of been one of his grails, is a 301 in the box. But when I picked up one of the boxes, the one that was open, and took out the unit, I realized it wasn't. It was the A204 301. It was actually one with a light on it, which I don't think the 301s existed with lights, the 301 vintage. These exist, of course. But anyway, the light was round. The lens was round. It was right here. So the lens was round. It was like right here. And then the lens had the covers design continued onto it. So like the SA125, SA130, CD400. So that was pretty cool. Obviously I picked up those because the other ones were the A204 301s with the light. That's cool. I wonder if they did make them. Like I said, they of course did make these with the light, this generation. Wouldn't mind finding one of those sometime. I don't think we ever got it, sadly. Maybe we did. 87. Mom and Dad's again. It's gonna be a somewhat hot weekend. Okay then, let's go downstairs. Oh, there's the fire exit. Not operating. I think probably 1218. Let's see, there's the drain. Kind of a small one. Maybe 3-inch one. One here at Mom and Dad's is pretty small. I can show you. I think I probably need a light. A sec. Alright. It's over here. Obviously you've seen this before from my tornado drill video. Lockdowns. See, it's right there. Actually, it might be the same size. I think it's the same size, just like that one. The one you saw in that house. Come back to this house with CO. They'll just like my building. Oh, here's the fire exit up here too. And yeah, I don't think that's operating either. Even though do I see a slight bit of red? Maybe a slight bit. Can't really tell though. 77, and another Zillow 3 tour. Oh, we got something. I think a new tone. Yep. Went to the fair today too. Yep, new tone. Nice. You're hearing something about model aircrafts. I'm listening to Minneapolis St. Paul Airport live feed, the live stream of the runways, or one of the runways at least. Well, looks like that's all we're gonna get. I guess only one level anyway. 84. Nope. 3D home. Of course, Zillow. Ooh, there we go. Keep forgetting, can't zoom in on Zillow 3D tours. And looks like that's all we're gonna get. Yeah, interesting last night at the fair. Or I guess not really, interesting events. Just, interesting fair stuff. 68. Hugger of some sorts. And that detector doesn't look promising. Whoa! Your safety doesn't look promising either. There's no rails. Holy crap. No detector there, you don't need to know. You don't need to see. Here's the drain. Normal class 5. This weekend we're gonna go. My brother Jeff's other son's gonna have a wedding. So I'm begging for a first alert. There's a spinner of some sort. It stopped moving so people could see it. Decorative blades. I think that's new. Modern, there's an 83R. And in the blind spot. But we've seen 83R, so 84. Oh, here comes a smoke signal. It might be operating. Obviously, if I come over here, it's in the stupid blind spot. If I'm over here, it's on the wrong side. And here, kind of at a bad angle for the LED. Back at home though. Once again, didn't do much at mom and dad's. Helping mom with the projects when we watched movies at night. Anyway, it's cool. 60, still 66. I'm on the Zillow app for what?
41. 641 Fontaine Towers with a fall, possible hip injury.
Holy up a CD 400! A CD 400! But I admit, I wasn't the first to find this. It was actually found when I was at my jam session today. Steel City Alarms, aka Alex Sackos, I think that's how you pronounce his name. He is the one who found this. No one else did. And other people have had so much luck, especially Smoke Alarm fan guy Adam. He has had so much luck. He hasn't found one. This is the first one we found in a house. There's only 3 others we found. One, of course, was that Keith Rafford promo video. The other 2 were in possession of the fire departments. This is the first time we've ever seen one in a house. Holy mackerel. Holy mackerel. Wow. My hat's off to you, Alex. You have done the unthinkable. I mean, how many years have we been searching? 4 at least? Even though it's just me originally. And Ben kind of a little bit before that. Jeez. A CD400. A CD400. Wow. Wow. 87. Yeah, modern. But that alarm isn't. Yeah, it's not powered. Ooh, Firex though. Mom and Dad's just for a bit. Got home really early this morning. And the wedding was nice. Some pictures and stuff.
So I'm Logan. I'm the lucky guy that got to marry this beautiful young lady today. And for this speech to make a little bit more sense, I'm a huge nerd.
Yes! Baby!
So with that, I'll get started. Ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, fellow adventurers and beloved family, thank you all for gathering here today to witness the union of two hearts and the merging of our families. Today we celebrate a storybook tale, a journey filled with magic, bravery, and love. Your presence here is the spell that brings this tale to life, and we are overjoyed to share this enchanted day with you. First, let me thank all of our guests who have traveled from neighboring and far-off lands to be here today. Your presence is the greatest treasure we could ask for. Being here, showing your love and support for us have been the emotions that healed us, the shields that protected us, and the songs that inspired us. And now, I must speak of my greatest treasure, my love, and my new bride. Kara, my dearest, you are the enchantress of this day, weaving a spell of beauty and joy that has brought this story to life. Your hard work, dedication, and boundless love has transformed this day into a dream come true. You have been the architect of our fairy tale, and I am in awe of the magic you have created. Kara, you are my partner in this grand adventure, my confidant, and my best friend. Your love has been the greatest strength, your kindness my guiding star. As we stand here before our family and friends, I'm reminded of the countless quests we face together and the countless more we will share. I love you more than words can express, and I am so grateful to have you as my partner and my queen. Lastly, I would like to again say thank you to everyone here. Thank you for being part of our journey. Your support, love, and laughter have filled our hearts with joy and wonder. As we embark on this new quest as husband and wife, we look forward to the adventures that lie ahead and the stories we'll create together. So let us raise our goblets, roll for initiative, get on that dance floor, and make this night one for the Bard's Tales.
Obviously didn't get to video the ceremony. But then on our way home, got into a fender bender, if you will. In here. We were coming off 90 here. Well, first, we usually don't take that exit. We usually take this one, but being worked on, construction. So anyway, yeah, we were taking this exit. Then a semi was coming up 42 here. And then, since it's so dark here, we could barely even see the stop sign. So the semi just grazed the bumper of our car. See, there's the sign. So we were coming like this. And the semi was coming from this way. It was like right about here. Whoop. No. Just right about in this area where the dark meets the light. It's about where the semi hit us. Again, not hit us really. Just grazed our bumper. Part of the molding's broken off. As you can see, we're okay. It's traumatizing. Poor mom was crying afterwards when we got home. Gave her a nice tight hug. But other than that, everything went well. Except for on Friday night I fell. My brother's deck. Because it has a step, and it was later at night. I was going to the house, and I forgot about the step. Again, I'm okay though. 1903 and some 83-hour based alarm. Jeez, not very many scan spots. As you can see there on the right. Oof, that poor door seen better days. I'll never kid hit it with the ball. Oh, kitty! Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi, cutie. Oh, such a cute kitty. Yes, you are. Anyway, I wonder if this happened to that door. Decorator blade, hugger in the hallway. No alarm. One there, but you don't need to see it.
I don't.
Nope.
Why?
It could be a semi-big one. I think there's the cover there. And of course, you can't measure on Zillow, so thanks a lot, lady, using the wrong thing. 1924. Sound different. Different headphones here. Or on headphones, I should say. Sony's, the XM4s. Anyway, I had that previous one. That's mom, because I'm here. Just take a look at that. Well, there's that ceiling fan, but heat index is 97 tomorrow. Excessive heat warning. There's a couple huggers. I've seen those before. Oh. Stop. Black Decker. Best I'm gonna get. Because I could have sent that away. Whatever. No, I think I see a motor there. Yeah, I think that's a stump pump. Too bad we'll never know what that other drain was. Size of it. Can't measure on the Zillow 3D tours. Anyway, lady, I finally decided to start recording. Looks like might be a 77R because I don't think it was called an outlet box that close to the wall. It's up here. Yeah, it might be a team outlet box installed there though. I'm like downstairs. Yeah, you can see how hot it's going to be here today. Forecast temperatures. I mean heat indexes. But yeah, it might be a 769. They just installed the outlet or the box that close to the wall. You never know. 64. Put back on my normal microphone again. The system microphone. Oh, there it is. Oh, RS. I do believe. Oh! I think it might be. If you were to look back here. It almost looks like the horn's there, yeah. So I think that's an old RS. Nice. 40. Late. There's an alarm out there. Here's an alarm out there, but you don't need to see it. Oh, but you need to see these. I got a TC49 up there. And a second gen F900. Or maybe like the Universal SS600, or even this thing. It's actually for a transmitting system, but I think it's probably just an SS600 or F900, or maybe the Archery brand. That'd be cool too. Can we see? No. Can't tell if it's operating or not. That might be an alarm there. If it is, I don't care. It's modern. Cut to lift the flood drain or not. Could be under one of those rugs. 74. Last installment of this awesome volume. And that. Possibly. Oof. Yeah. I'd probably take a couple tumbles off of that thing. Reminds me, I didn't mention that, but in Wisconsin. Actually, yes, I did. In my brother's house. First night we were there, I took a tumble on his deck. Okay, can I get off of that area? Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's cool. Oh, F900 base Sears, I think. Yeah. I haven't seen one of these in quite a while. And that door chime's pretty cool. Anyway, yeah. I don't think the modern. So, yeah, this was taken before he had his edition. Of course, that's pretty recent. So, anyway, this white thing isn't there anymore. But his edition is over here, like that, and that's the gazebo, so it comes up like this. Then there's a step down from the gazebo here to this deck, and then let's see, then there's a little step here too, right there. So what had happened, it was the first night, like I said, we were getting ready to go to bed. So I made this step just fine from the gazebo to the main deck, but then I missed this one, and I fell. But it's still a nice gazebo. We spent a lot of time in it. Oh, and there's no basement, or it wasn't scanned. So anyway, yeah, this is quite a volume. A CD400A was finally found. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.